Wooden roller massage is a deeply grounding therapy that blends rhythmic movement with natural textures to release tension and restore balance. Smooth wooden rollers glide gently over the body, creating steady pressure that stimulates circulation and warms the muscles. As the rollers move in slow, flowing patterns, tight areas begin to soften, allowing stress to melt away layer by layer. The natural weight of the wood provides a comforting, earthy sensation that helps calm the nervous system and bring awareness back to the body. This massage technique supports lymphatic flow, helping the body feel lighter, refreshed, and more energized. Each rolling motion encourages relaxation while easing stiffness in the back, legs, arms, and shoulders. The subtle sound and feel of the wooden rollers add a soothing, almost meditative quality to the experience. Wooden roller massage is ideal for those seeking natural relaxation, muscle relief, and a peaceful moment of mindful self-care.